Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we did manage to get a trade yesterday. I did give that to you on the Telegram channel. If you haven't subscribed to that, do yourself a favor and click the link below and subscribe there. That's where I give you my daily trades that I do take. Have been trailed out of that one, but we'll get to the setup later on in the video of why we took it and where the targets were. For all intents and purposes, we are still sideways. We are basically top of range at the moment. We do have a hammer with a confirmation bar on it. So this is typically a bearish pattern. Look at my oscillators again. I suspect we are going to kind of continue drifting sideways to down at the moment. So we have quite a bit of data coming out for the next 2 days. So we've got the jobs number coming out, and then we have non-farm payrolls coming out tomorrow. So won't be much difference on the 3 hour. It's pretty much up and down. So let's get straight onto the hour. Right, so for this trade, let's just review the trade quickly, and I'm going to drop to the 15-minute for that. So I gave you an entry of pretty much around 34.080, 85 I think it was, and that was a previous swing high. So if you look at there, you can see lots of structure here for an opportunity to buy into this. If we just get back to 15-minute, that was the first one, and then I said to you that there was a 5-minute gap. Let's just highlight the 5-minute gap here, which was also an opportunity to buy into. So there's my 5-minute gap there. Okay, I jumped in a little bit early. Could have waited for the 5-minute gap, but doesn't really matter. I basically jumped in on this 5-minute pin bar here. So stop was obviously quite low. It was at the bottom of the range, sort of, not quite. It was 33. I just got below the 3400 area, so it was 33,996 or something like that. So just below that 3400, just in case we squirted down. Nice solid move up. Got out at the top, which was pretty much an area you need to get out, which is 34,300, and then trailed the stop up. So I did have my stop below the swing low, and obviously that's been taken out. So all in all, decent, profitable trade. For today, looking at the hour, we are sideways at the moment. Nothing really exciting. May get some kind of squirt off the 34,200 area. This pin bar that we got yesterday with confirmation is fairly strong for the bulls. But the problem is we are top of range, and the top of range is right here at 34,300. So we need to get above that, and we did get above it a little bit yesterday, which gives us a new all-time high for yesterday. So I suspect we're more than likely going to move higher still, but I think the probability for this morning is probably going to be sideways. So at the moment, that's kind of what I'd be doing. I would be looking, wait for the European Open and see, but I'd more than likely be looking to see if we can buy off 34,200 and sell at 34,300. So that's kind of the range that I see us in at the moment. If we do break the downside, I don't see any gaps or anything that we need to worry about. But if we do break the downside, I think this area here where we bought in yesterday will more than likely offer some support for another move back the upside. But I think today is going to be a cautious day. It's cautious on Forex, and it's probably going to be cautious on the indexes. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at. Maybe an opportunity to buy in here, not sure. We are going to be capped by the top of the range. A break of 34,300 and retest of that is going to be very bullish. So watch out for that as well. So at the moment, it's a wait and see. If I do see something, I will scream on the Telegram channel. So make sure you subscribe and install the app on your phone. Anyway, that's it for me. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.